Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to have Erica Smith here from Bok Tower Gardens, right here in Visit Central, Florida. Good afternoon.
Hello. Well, we ordered up perfect weather for our visit. It's gorgeous, about 80 degrees and lots of sunshine.
Yeah, I couldn't wish for anything better. And in fact, the gardens have been perfect. I mean, it's just lovely here. How long have the gardens been in existence?
So we were dedicated in 1929. They actually started construction on the gardens in the early 20s. And it wasn't until about halfway through the project that they decided to add a bell tower. And so that's what we're really known for, being Bok Tower Gardens, home of the Singing Tower.
The tower is very impressive, but the gardens are, in my opinion, equally impressive. Not just because the array of flowers and trees and shrubs and everything else, but also the wildlife, the birds, everything else. Is that one of the major attractions now in conjunction with the tower?
Absolutely. So I think Edward Bok said it best. It's the summation of all the parts that come together to build this beautiful area. So not only are you going to enjoy wonderful music and culture, you have great wildlife, native birding species, native wildlife, and we were built to be a reflection garden, a place that you can come and gather your thoughts, disconnect from all of your electronic devices, and really reconnect back to nature. And so if we've done our job, you will have had a day fully immersed in all the wonderful things that Mother Nature has to offer.
And the gardens are open all year long?
We are open 363 days. We are closed on Christmas and closed on Thanksgiving, but we are open 363 days from 8 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m.
And how much is it to get into the gardens?
So $20 for adults. Children 6 to 17 are $10. Children under 6 are free.
Okay. And I noticed that when we were going around, there's some areas that you're actually going to be working on over the next coming months. What are those areas and what do you hope to achieve with those?
So we are doing a huge preservation to our moat system. So what we're going to be doing is working on draining the moat, adding a filtration system, which will make that moat be crystal clear. And then we're going to bring back the original water gardens that were part of the plans in 1929 that never really came to fruition. So we're going to bring those water gardens back. We're going to be doing a lot of preservation work on the tower itself, doing a lot of water intrusion work and making sure that that beautiful tower remains beautiful for the next 500 years.
Excellent. Well, Erica, thank you very much for your time. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I mean, I know we spoke during COVID and I was always thinking, cool, I'd like to go there. Well, I'm here and it's been fabulous.
Well, wonderful. Well, you can find out more about our wonderful attraction at boktowergardens.org, our full calendar of events, and what you can expect when you come here to visit.
Lovely. Thanks very much.
Thank you.